How you doing? Welcome. This is Oscar Ramos, and in today's episode live, I'm gonna be talking about Cardano, some of the beautiful, delicious altcoins that are out there for this coming month, October, and of course, no panic selling. Is the crash over? I mean, typically those are the conversations a lot of people have, especially with the prices right now, as you see. But I'm gonna go over all of that. Everyone, it is gonna be a good live. I gotta tell you, what a great week we had, starting from Monday. Flash crashes, and great opportunities for you and me to buy. But finally, of course, we got some relief in the middle of the week. Then finally, again, it's coming pulling down in price. I mean, anyway, whatever happens, we're gonna be fine. Absolutely fine, everyone. So welcome aboard. Welcome aboard, everyone. We're gonna have a good time. And as always, my name is Oscar. I talk about stocks, Roth IRA, and cryptocurrencies. And the idea, of course, is to learn. If you're a beginner, I think this is a great place for you, where you can ask questions, as many as you want. And if you want to support, just keep watching and enjoy the ride with me, guys. Welcome aboard. Today, I'm going to discuss Cardano, AM token, Algorand, Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and the ones, of course, by the end in the Q&A. And well, gotta get excited for sure. And I'm gonna go over the Cardano Summit because, as you know, yesterday, which was September 25th, and today, September 26th, we had the Cardano Summit. And oh boy, gotta tell you, that was insane. I got a patron who went to Vancouver, or who went to this place where the summit was, and that was pretty exciting. And last but not least, I'll take your questions as well. Plus, I have a little surprise for all my viewers right now. It's called staking. I did it on Algorand and Cardano, and I'm gonna tell you all about it. Guys, if you want to support the channel, go above and beyond. Well, what you can do is just keep watching. But if you do want to support and you don't know how, well, this is my Patreon page. You have different tiers according to what your seriousness level is for investing. Just become a supporter, investor, or baller. It's all up to you. I thank you for your support. And if your main language is Spanish, I have a YouTube channel, Oscar Ramos Español, and you might want to subscribe. So once I start putting videos there, you will be the first one to know. Alrighty, everyone, welcome aboard. Welcome aboard. I got a lot of updates for you. Thank you so much for watching. We got Anthony, we got Callie, Unknown, Graham, CCIP, Jonathan, Brian, and Jesus is God. There you go, everyone. So well, let's get this started, guys. It's gonna be pretty cool, and I got a lot to tell you, everyone. Fingers crossed, brother. Happy Sunday. Yes, it's a Sunday. We have lives Sundays and Tuesdays. If we have anything weird in the during the markets, then I'll do a special live. But typically, that's what I have, everyone. Okay, so get ready for this, and these are the prices. Just replying to a good friend of mine. Alrighty. Alrighty, everyone. So we got prices on Cardano, AM token, Algorand, Ethereum, and Bitcoin, Solana, Alchemy, Pay, Chainlink. Everyone, it's gonna get insane, to be honest with you. Frank, James, Jesus is God. Oh boy, get ready for this, everyone. So this is it, guys. This is it. Let me go ahead and check my. There you go. We're here. We are here. How's the audio? Perfect. Audio's perfect. There you go. Love this, everyone. Go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and turn on those notifications, please. Thank you very much. Diamond hands, everyone. So gotta get started, guys. Total cryptocurrency prices by market cap, we're looking at less than $2 trillion. So remember that a couple weeks ago we were at around 2.15, 2.20. So the fact that we're less than 2 trillion, it is to me a great opportunity to make some potential investments, right? To dedicate some money, and then of course make the good stuff right here, which that is, I think, what I will do for you guys. To go ahead and start with Cardano, guys. Right now, this beauty, we haven't seen much like a huge change in price. If I go ahead and do the 1 week, we just see a negative, which is a negative 3%. In the last 24 hours, negative 3%. The last 1 week is negative 1%. The last month is negative 14%. And of course, the year shut up. Of course, that is just huge. So why? Well, of course, after the peak of $3.10, huge sell-off after, of course, China banning. You remember, guys? You remembered about what happened during the week? China, and well, that's really what affected a lot of the price. But I mean, it is what it is. We're not worried, and that's what's happening with Cardano and with other cryptocurrencies. Absolutely. But the price of Cardano right now is looking okay for me. I bought it cheaper and I bought it more expensive. I'm actually holding right now, and I'm not planning to sell at all. Hey, Kenny, welcome aboard. Welcome, guys. So the idea is this one, guys. Even though the price of Cardano, we haven't seen it pass, the $3 yet, I'm still bullish that we're gonna be seeing $3 by the end of the year. Absolutely, for Cardano. So what do you guys think? First and foremost, guys, let's go ahead and get started with this because this is insane. Starting with Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, the project. Well, I mean, just yesterday and today, he was been speaking all over during the summit. And well, that's what happens when you are this important, right? Here are some of the major announcements and partnerships. So get ready because it's going to get insane. What happened here is that Cardano announces partnerships with Dish Network and the parent company of Cardano, which is In and Out, input and output. In and Out, no, that's a burger place, as you know, in California. It's input and output. Announced a partnership with Chainlink, right, the parent company of Cardano. So what happened here, of course, is mainly announcing that this network is gonna beneficiate the most from these partnerships. Ethereum blockchain rival Cardano and TV wireless service provider Dish Network, they're entering into a deal to help Dish integrate Cardano's blockchain to its telecom business. Guys, a lot of huge partnerships happening right now, which means, of course, that at the end of the day, that's what any kind of company with the desire of technology and innovation is trying to do. And partnering with the third largest by market cap, I think that's the right choice. Just why Cardano, right? Why Dish Network picking Cardano? Well, you have Ethereum, you have Solana, you have Algorand. As we remember, even Algorand has had some huge partnerships too with the Drone League Racing. But I mean, Cardano is right now the one most positioned to have some of the biggest impact from everything that I've seen so far. I like it, and it is not the only partnerships that we saw during this summit, but these are some of the biggest headlines that we are seeing right now. What do you guys think? Brian Fuentes, China's always saying the same thing. This time market didn't dip as much as like before. You're right, Brian. When it comes to the China manipulation of the China banning / China crashing the markets, we see that for the stock market, but mostly, of course, for crypto markets, since they specifically attack the crypto market. I think the idea here, of course, is to understand that those things are going to happen. But that's not really impeding companies like Cardano, projects like Cardano to expand and grow massively. And that's what we want, of course. That's what we really want. So huge partnerships, guys. Here's another one. And I'm going to go ahead and post this in the chat. So you guys go ahead and do your own research. Please, doing your own research really is going to help you. And here's another one. This is the one coming from the Cardano Foundation, from their head of brand and communication. Cardano unveils multiple strategic partnerships at the Summit 2021. And the reason why we're going over this is for you to understand that, I mean, I knew it. I mean, I've been knowing this for a while. Nobody has to come back and tell me that this is a good project to invest in. Cardano is really building its, I will say, its tree of branches and different ecosystems, right, in all kinds of areas of the blockchain. And I like it. DeFi, smart contracts, NFTs, now, of course, outside the blockchain, help, stuff like that. I mean, I think that's what eventually is going to connect them most to people. And that's what we want to see at the end of the day, everyone. They partnered during this, they announced that they partnered with the eSport giant Rival, partnering with Rival. So that's another one. Now they have, they're going to regulate an institution, UBX, now running on the public stake pool on Cardano. And I'm going to go over more on the Cardano pools because I have some big news for you guys right now, which I'm going to tell you very soon. So this is just more information as far as what happened during this time, right? And I mean, gotta tell you, everyone, if you're watching, it's fun. It's fun because I'm gonna go back to Cardano here. Let me tell you this. At the beginning of 2021, we started to see one type of community, which was the Dogecoin community. It seems like when you wanted to learn about cryptocurrencies, the only community out there that was really popping off was Dogecoin. There was no other one. There was no other one. I was there. I lived it. But Dogecoin is just not cannot be compared at all to Cardano, right? Cardano is just much better. Thank you. So it's kicking the allergies. Alrighty. So what I was saying is, what I was saying it was the XRP community. Yeah, I mean that's another one. That's even before they got banned. I mean they were huge. So here's what I'm saying because that was a big sneeze. Um, what I'm saying is I like, bottom of this, I like that the Cardano community is getting traction because this project really has something to give us all. Unlike Dogecoin, which is good in a way on its own as payments, maybe some type of small little payments that can be gamified. Even AMC, of course, trying to accept that. I like that this blockchain is just making massive waves, and now, of course, having summits and just allowing different types of people that want to learn about the blockchain. Having someone like Charles, of course, I think that really helps. Co-founder of Ethereum, now founder of the third largest cryptocurrency chain. Um, makes me really believe that this is working, guys, and this is not a scam, and blockchain and cryptocurrencies, it's actually something legit. I'm not saying it's not, but what I'm saying is, well, you have to understand that for so many of us that maybe are not millennials or Generation Z, um, it's hard for adults, grown-ups, to accept the fact that there's something out there, out of stocks, right, and out of real estate and metals like gold and silver. So that, in a way, that's perfect, and the answer to that is cryptocurrencies. So there you guys have it. Those are my opinions on that, because that's just my first opinions when it comes to Cardano. Really liking the project on its own. It's just everything. And guys, the price right now, the price what we see right now, it is not the representation of the actual price. Why do I say that? Before Alonso and before the summit and before they announced all these partnerships, the price was much higher. Um, it is just the way that the crypto market works. What I like and what I think at the end of the day is going to happen is that once the cryptocurrencies that really matter start to grow in price and explode, it will be too late for you to make some good, decent money. I think everything that I've learned so far when it comes to cryptocurrencies is that you have to be on the side of buying before the pumps, right? It is not that they're gonna stay at a great high price for a really long time, since it's heavily manipulated by whales and by other type of news out there. Once you see a great price for your investment or for a project, it is a healthy decision to sell some or your position entirely, so you make the money and you wait for the next dump. Um, Even though the price does not reflect what the project is, like I'm saying, Cardano $2.22. I mean, I think it's an easily a $3 to $4 project by far. So there you guys have it. Just a couple of things that I think for Cardano will be amazing. I'm gonna go and start talking about AMP token once I finish with this. Absolutely, guys. One of the things I also want to tell you is Cardano wallet. So here's the beauty that I wanted to tell you, everyone. Boom. The Lost wallet, guys. Who from here uses the wallet? I'm gonna go ahead and ask with a poll. ADA wallet. Use it. Boom. Guys, as you continue to, like using the, thank you, Kenny, appreciate it. Thank you, Aram, welcome aboard. Kelly, Real Crypto, there you go, guys. Well, first answers coming straight from the poll, 6 votes. No, you guys are not using the wallet. So I think this is heavily important. So please pay attention to what I'm gonna say, because that this might be your situation. So here it is, very important. So what happened right now is that I finally was able to do this on my own. I've used this wallet and I'm officially staking my Cardano coins in the official wallet stake pools, and I feel super awesome to do that. The way to do this is by simply, this is my experience and this is what I did for Cardano. Since I'm talking about Cardano, it's the first thing that I'm talking during this live stream, Cardano, and not only buying good positions at a lower price, holding for a really long time, but you want to make the most money during your APY, your rewards, right? Staking. If you hold it on Coinbase, which that was me, you're not gonna get a lot of money. Let me go ahead and show you this before I start. Look, look at my balance, $817, guys. It decreased all the way from almost 9,000, 10,000, because I pull out all my Cardano and I pull out all of my Algorand. So I'm staking the two of them in the official wallets, and that is amazing. So this is what I did, and this is what I am recommending you to do, because this is like the best way to earn your rewards. So here it is. From your Coinbase, you have Coinbase, from your Coinbase or your main broker, you send that to the official wallet. So what I did was from Coinbase to Coinbase Pro, so it's cheaper the fees. Okay, so from Coinbase Pro, you go ahead for Cardano, where it is, here it is, this wallet. What you have to do is download the wallet for iOS or PC or Linux. I have a PC computer. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I was getting frustrated so much because this took forever. It took me like a day and a half to download and get the block sync. So what do I mean? Once you download this and it installs, it's all gonna run fine, no problem. But once you actually open the program, you're gonna see something on the right, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to pull up a picture, because I'm not gonna run it. It's gonna take all my RAM, and this is just gonna get destroyed. So ADA wallet image. Let me see if I can show you what I'm trying to do here. Here it is. So yes, it does look something like this, right? I'm gonna leave it for later, that. But what I'm saying is, on the top right, there's this block sync. It took me like a day and a half to get completed, and it took forever. And well, my computer may not be the fastest one, but I'm gonna tell you, I really was close to the point of, is this even worth it? Well, finally, after waiting for a long time, the block sync. So that means that my computer program was already synced with the network, right? After that, I created the wallet. After that, I transferred from Coinbase Pro to the wallet. Finally, when I created my wallet here on this official network, and then it was extremely cheap and very fast. From Coinbase to the wallet took me around 20 seconds, and they charged me 0.2 ADA. Very cheap, like I'm saying. And at the end of the day, it all went through. Once I had my ADA, all my ADA in this wallet, I was then able to find a pool, a stake pool. And what is a stake pool? Well, pretty much it means that you are finding the best way for you to get your rewards, right? I'm probably gonna get into more in depth later on with a tutorial video, but I was able to find a stake pool, and I started staking my Cardanos, guys, and it feels so amazing, and I highly recommend it. So that was one for Cardano. I did it and it feels incredible. Hey, Sam, Kenny, Keith, welcome aboard, guys. Welcome aboard. I know that you can use the Yoroi wallet. That is for mobile devices, right? I didn't use it because it was recommended for me to just use the main wallet, and I did, but it took a long, long, long time. So that's just one thing. I like it. I don't regret it. And now, of course, I don't really open the program too much, but I gotta tell you, every time from now on, when I buy my Cardanos, I'll buy it on Coinbase Pro and I will send it to that wallet, and then I'm gonna start staking it in one pool, and there you guys have it. So those are some of the good news. Now, guys, that Cardano is getting traction, that it's getting popularity, what is the best way to start moving forward? By staking your Cardanos in the official wallets. One could be the one I just showed you, or the Yoroi wallet on mobile devices. So closing the poll right now, but from what I see here, most of the people do not are not staking or not using the official wallet. Maybe because you could be using Binance, you could be using Exodus, but 65% of you guys don't use it. Well, here's a call for you to think about it, right? Because one, it's a huge difference, right? One, you're lending your money or your ADA, and the other one, you're staking your ADA. So there you go. Brian Fuentes, the APY percentage, it's about 5%. 5%. And when my stake pool solves a block, right, then it's distributed among all the people that are staking inside that block, and there you guys have it. So, well, guys, if you were interested on that one, I'll probably make a tutorial video later on, but heavily super excited on Cardano. Next, everyone, the ones that we're gonna be continuing talking about, of course, you guys are watching. Make sure you like the video right now so more people see it right now. See this live stream on YouTube. Subscribe to the channel, please, and turn on those notification bells. Become one of these subscribers to help us reach 10,000 subscribers. Yes! Can we get 10,000 subscribers tonight? I don't think so, but I'm extremely happy and excited. And I gotta tell you, I'm gonna make a live during our 10,000 subscribers special, and wow, I'm extremely happy and thankful. So let's go. Now, AMP token, guys. Cardano and Altcoins Live, top cryptocurrency for October. So the first top cryptocurrency, of course, is gonna be Cardano. Heavily recommended. I really like it, and I mean, could be a little bit biased because I own, but I mean, everything right now is ringing that Cardano will be a huge player for the upcoming, months and years. So that's what we're looking about it right now. Imagine staking 50,000 to 100,000 of, yeah, I mean, that's the idea, right? Absolutely. Whew, I like ADA. It allows me to stake multiple pools. Yes, it allows you to stake in multiple pools. I just selected one just to kind of get my feet on the water, but I mean, that's the idea, right? Alrighty, and before even we jump to AMP token, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and give you some quick technical analysis view of the price of Cardano right now. So take a look at this before we continue with AMP token. Well, I mean, easily, of course, Cardano being one of the top picks for October 2021, easily, no questions asked. We're looking at the year-to-date view. One of the things that I mentioned is that right now we're bouncing from the point of the close to the low RSI resistance relative strength index. I like that we're coming up, so that is fantastic. That is great. I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at the 4-hour. This is how it looked like right now. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Fibonacci from here on top, which is at $3. All the way down here, and that's how it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and expand here, and well, there you go. So by looking at this, guys, in the last, I will say in the last 3-4 weeks, this is what we're looking at. We were right on top at the 100%. It came back all the way down 2 weeks, so like a week ago, and then we're looking at the second level of 38%. So even here on September 25th. So what happened here? Well, of course, everyone was very excited when it comes to the Cardano project, the summit, and well, that is pretty much what happened. more buying, and then immediately, the sell-off comes out, or the price kind of corrects itself. So there you guys have it. Kenny and Oscar, do you use the Ledger Nano? I do not use Ledger. Probably later on I'll go ahead and pick something like that. Huggy Bear, AMP will hit $1 by the end of the year. I don't know what you're smoking, my friend. I mean, to be honest with you, I wouldn't be mad, but I wouldn't want that because I want more AMP tokens, and I think that will be so quickly. But no, I can almost guarantee you that's not gonna happen. Alrighty, but that's a good comment. Appreciate it. There you go. Okie dokie. So price of Cardano is doing well. Easily, everyone, easily. I think at the end of the day, any price that it's within the less of the 50% from $2.50 less, it's a great deal. It's a great deal when it comes to Cardano, right? So once again, I'm gonna go to the year to date. We see the RSI, below the middle band, guys. These are the levels we were asking for so long. These were the levels, not right here when we are at $2.80 or $3 or so, but around this price, close to $1. It's close to $1. So let's not be greedy. And that's the idea, right? September is ending, October is coming. Could we have even cheaper prices? I mean, in cryptocurrencies, everything is possible, but at the end of the day, to my understanding, this is a decent place for Cardano to be, and it's gonna come back up, and it will take some time. But just by everything that I just showed you when it comes to the partnerships with this network, with the Rival, the esport company, now with Chainlink for input and output, this thing is not gonna stop at any time. Charles is working. Seems like he's working hard with the team, trying to be objective. It is just another project that's on the blockchain, competing with Ethereum, Solana, Algorand, Polkadot, and it's just becoming very competitive. And we like that. At the end of the day, Cardano is just a project trying to make money, and that's what it is. If you guys are just coming right now, I just staked my Cardanos earlier today. I started to use the Diadolos Diadolos wallet. Oh, I'm so funny. Even I laugh on myself sometimes. It's been a long day. It's been a long week, okay? But at the end of the day, I mean, this thing is making money to a lot of people. You can make money if you actually have a pool, a staking pool. So I think that will be the idea. How do you create your own stake pool? Well, you have to own a lot of Cardanos to do that. So, well, there you guys have it. There you guys have it. It's looking pretty amazing. Alrighty. There you guys have it with Cardano. Excellent cryptocurrency to start the water break. That's true, right? I know. Woo. There you go, Kenny. You knew it. You knew it. Hey, Ken, welcome aboard. Welcome aboard. Everyone, AMP token. Woo! AMP token time, baby. We got some AMP token time right now in the house. Well, after finishing talking about one of my awesome and most favorite cryptocurrencies, everyone, which is Cardano, the project, charts, and everything, now is the time to continue talking about my second to third favorite cryptocurrency that, although it's making so much moves and just doing a lot of things, it's not moving too much. Mommy of the alcohol, how you doing? Welcome aboard. AMP token sticker. There you go. So what's happening here? Well, all the charts, it's negative. Let me just go and show you positive, 12 hours positive. If we start to go with the week, negative, month negative, and well, thankfully, of course, the 1 year is still positive. So that is amazing. And the all, of course, is positive, which that's fine. Couple of updates when it comes to AMP token. Well, a couple of the last things that happened with AMP token earlier this week was the partnerships, right? Partnership with Banco Agrícola, partnership with J or GK software, and of course, I made a video, maybe that we could have a partnership with AMC. as far as providing that access to digital cryptocurrency payments, allowing companies use Flex network so they pay with Dogecoin or whichever cryptocurrency they want, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin even, or Dogecoin at any merchant where they have the technology, where they have everything already set up. Flex can integrate with them, and boom, there you go. There you guys have it. Taking a look at the price analysis right here when it comes to AMP token. A couple of the things that I mentioned the last time I spoke on this one, I've said about the bottom here that we reached on September 1st. So that is great, because typically when we reach it, it will take some time, but it comes back up. It comes back up after I'm passing the RSI, which that is great stuff. Of course, with the China news and some of the flash crashes we had, we were from 6 cents all the way to 4 cents, coming back to 5-6 cents, and then from there we're just been decreasing. What are we gonna do? Just panic sell and start just paper handing selling everything? The answer to that is absolutely not. Just mentioned a couple minutes ago that I just take my Cardano 88 coins in the official wallet. I'm gonna tell you more about Algorand, which I already did too. The one that I'm missing, everyone, is my AMP token. And the reason why I haven't done it is because the prices are astronomical. They're astronomical. As you're seeing right now, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the Ether scan, because this is an Ethereum ERC20 coin, and we can see on the Ether scan provided by Ethereum that the number of holders is increasing. If I go ahead to the cryptocurrency and I show you AMP token, which is at like around 60 or so, here it is, it's 57. That's great. We go to holders, and you can see right here on the chart that the total of addresses is increasing. On September 20th, we had 42,144, and today, September 25, we have 42,762. That means, yes, Fabian. Hey, Fabian, welcome aboard, my man. Appreciate it. One of my patrons. So it's increasing slowly but surely. If I do the 3 months on an AMP token, we can see that on June 29, guys, we had 22,000 holders. And let me just remind you that in June, in April, in May, in July, the price of AMP token was much higher than what it is right now. And we had less holders. So some like a huge outbreak has to happen in the, of course, upcoming bull run for this cryptocurrency and for the rest of the cryptocurrencies as a whole. I think that is the idea, everyone. And once that happens, we could see this fly away even faster. So number of holders is increasing. That's what we want to see. Absolutely, that's what we want to see. Going back to the technicals here, 4 cents, and we have, when I go ahead and start scrolling over a little bit, we have October, November, December, 3 months. We only have 3 months for this year to end. And the price of AMP token does not look okay. Well, if we take a look at history, we take a look at what happened with AMP token. Every time it goes down, we see that on May the 23rd came back down due to, of course, the China news. Then on July the 21 came back down because of a Coinbase Pro or the Coinbase effect, came back down all the way down. Massive sell-off, guys, that consecutively happened. Now, of course, it's coming back down. Why? Well, due to breaking the support after holding for a long time at 6 cents. And then we started with the Cream Finance hack. And then, of course, crashes, and then China and stuff like that finally reach the bottom once again on the error side. Typically, when we've seen that, it's because something huge is gonna come for the cryptocurrency, for this coin. So at the end of the day, that's what I think will happen by before we end in 2021. We need to have at least one, possibly two, but no, I think two will be too much to stretch on this one. One, it's in the horizon. What do you guys think? Welcome aboard. Nice, delicious water break. So, the idea here is that although the cryptocurrencies right now, AMP token and Cardano, have reached prices that we've seen before that were really spectacular. For example, for Cardano, $3.10, and AMP token, we saw 12 cents. If we get to see those prices again, believe me, it's gonna be insane in the streets. Instead of blood, when I start seeing so much gold. But the idea, guys, is as I see here, prepare when you see the prices lay down at these levels, because once we're passing the RSI, calculating and just giving some speculative dates, absolutely speculative, guys, somewhere around November, mid-November, end November, we could be seeing something like this. We could be seeing. What do you guys think? Juan Camacho, welcome aboard, buddy. Appreciate it. The utility will help the price move eventually. You know what coin surprised me? EX. Yeah, I've heard of that one a lot. If we break the upside, amazing. If we go over a bit more, then time to buy more. You got it, Fabian. You got it. Algo is better than AMP. Algo is different than AMP. I think that I will put it like that. Vitality. Algo and Cardano, they're all unique. Some of them collaborate or compete in their same industry, but Algorand has, something completely different than AMP token. Welcome aboard, everyone. You're watching this video. My name is Oscar, and I talk about stocks, short theory, and cryptocurrency. Hello to all my subscribers and viewers from anywhere or from everywhere that you're watching. It's a Sunday night. It's a great time for us to talk about crypto. We already talked about Cardano and the summit. We gave all my information about that. Massive partnerships for Cardano. Of course, it's the #1 cryptocurrency top picks for this coming month, October 2021. And well, second cryptocurrency that I'm thinking about is going to be AMP token for sure. Still holding, and next, of course, will be staking too. Now, Rami, when it comes to Koti, I haven't done my research on that one. Don't quote me on this, but what I've saw with Koti, let me go ahead and show you. Saw something pretty spectacular. Here it is, guys. Input and output at the Cardano Summit 2021. Announced that Koti Network will be the official issuer of DJET, a new stablecoin for Cardano. So these are massive news just happened 1 hour ago on the input and output Twitter account. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. If this is yeah, here it is. It happened yesterday, September 25th. Koti issued this name for the stablecoin on Cardano. So there you guys have it. It's different cryptocurrencies collaborating to make a better world for cryptocurrencies. I'm gonna go ahead and copy this so you guys do your own research, please. Take a look at this. Koti. I've heard of this one. Some other YouTubers talk about it. I haven't had the time to take a look at this one. As always, I'm kind of focused on the ones that I like. But you were mentioning Koti, and there you have it. I'm giving you some Koti, my friend. Thank you so much, Mommy. Appreciate it. And welcome aboard to everyone who's watching. It's Sunday night. Where are you guys watching from? Share the love. Thank you for your support. Appreciate it. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you so very much. It's a great night. It's a Sunday night after a lot of work. We're coming back, guys, and thinking about ahead, our future, finance, family, friends. And the idea, of course, is to make money and create that passive income stream. The reason why I'm talking about AMP token, the reason why I'm talking about Cardano, and the reason why I will talking about Algorand too, is because these three cryptocurrencies, not only I like, but I can stake them. And the way to stake them is relatively easy and cheap for two of them. For AMP token, not so much, since it's an Ethereum coin, or token actually, it's in the name. Once you stake them, you get from 4 to 5% APY per year. And well, the more you have, the more you earn. And at the end of the day, if you treat that as a retirement account or a retirement tool, instrument for your future, then that's exactly where you're gonna get the most money. And I think that's the beauty for cryptocurrencies, everyone. That's the beauty, guys. Texas, people in the house. Belgium, that's amazing. Ontario, Canada, awesome stuff. There you go, guys. Appreciated stuff. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Missouri, Montana. Nice. David from Texas, Montana, England. Mexican watching from Japan, primo. Oh, that's cool. Cheers to Japan, my man. I love that country. I want to go one day, someday, right? To all my new viewers and anywhere in the world, well, welcome aboard. Mexican here trying to make it in this world of cryptocurrency and YouTube. Love it, love to stream, love to talk about it. It's Sunday, so maybe a little bit tired. You can't see it probably, but never tired of speaking about cryptocurrencies and sharing the love and sharing these thoughts that I have for crypto. Right now, talking about AM token, Southern Texas, Charlotte, Illinois, España. That's incredible. England. Oh, well, welcome aboard, guys. Thank you so very much. That's awesome. Well, we're talking right now, the topic at hand right now is AM token. And I've been covering this cryptocurrency for a while right now. I'm not going to tell you that it's going to explode all the way to $1 or $5 in a matter of a couple of months. I think that's just not the way it works with cryptocurrencies. And one thing I want to make sure you understand, guys. Listen to this very carefully. The good cryptocurrencies will not move massively due to huge news happening to them. What do I mean with that? AM token had massive news partnerships and the coin did nothing. And Cardano just had its summit today and yesterday, and the cryptocurrency did nothing. It seems that the price rise for these cryptocurrencies happens when you least expect it. Plus, the prices rise a lot with rumors. Juicy, delicious rumors. Not when the cryptocurrency or not when the news already is out there. Okay? So that's, I think, something important for you to understand. When the news break and it's out there in the public, that is already too late. It has to be a rumor first, and then buying demand will grow and the cryptocurrency price will grow. That affects positively and negatively. That's what I've learned so far in the cryptocurrency space. You see this rise for AM token. That was July. And this, my friends, was something called Amazon rumors, which meant that for some reason in the cryptocurrency space, people were saying that it was going to merge with Amazon. The cryptocurrency AM token was going to be used in some way with Amazon. And look at what it did. Came back down that same day. Then the kind of like the highest price after that was 8 cents, which happened at the end of July. Ever since, this is the price so far. And I know there's some people who are already tired of people hearing about AM token, the price, which is not moving or so. That's totally fine. We're not thinking that this cryptocurrency is going to completely, go to numbers that we haven't seen so far, and it's not according to the market cap. But what it will help a lot is if you stake them in the Flexa capacity, or like me, as I'm doing on Gemini, which I'm lending my coins to Gemini's partners, and they're giving me 2% or 1.78%, which is nothing, but it's at least something, right? The idea here is to hold for years, and that's how you get your passive income. And if in that time your cryptocurrency grows to a price that you were calculating for sure, then that's amazing. For example, when it comes to AM token, I'm saying, and I've said in many months ago, that the price was going to be passing 20 to 15 cents. At the time right now, I see AM token, I think by the end, we could be going back to 7 to 8 cents. That's what I see for AM token. But it's okay. It is what happens, and that's what cryptocurrencies are made of. But I just enjoy how much utility cryptocurrency and other cryptocurrencies have, like Algorand and Cardano. And well, that's what it is. Sometimes they don't, the utility and the massive potential doesn't correlate to the price. But ideally, it's just gonna take some time, everyone. Okay, there you go. Some rumor about Walmart too. There you have it. Yeah, I heard that one too. I heard that one too. A key, yeah, the quiet papers are quite interesting. I agree with that. What was the first rumor that made it pump first before the Amazon one? Oh, Brian, that wasn't a rumor. That was this beauty was the Coinbase effect. That was when it was listed on Coinbase. It was listed on Coinbase like June the 10th or something, but this just gave the massive volume once it was already on Coinbase. Once it was already on Coinbase. I've not checked seller, Kenny, but it's what happens, right? Steve, AMP will have its turn to pump because it's a fantastic team and project. Its pump will shock everyone, but it will happen best just to hold some. Yes, I will hold 100% AMP token instead of other cryptocurrencies that I'm better not name here in the live, but it just meme coins or so. Yeah, I better hold cryptocurrencies that it will take a little bit longer for them to be recognized by the community or known, because you gotta know that Dogecoin or Shiba Inu or Cardano take the headlines, and not many are talking about these cryptocurrencies, right? So ideally, everyone, this is the one that I'll highly recommend for me. And if you like it, also for you, AMP token and the Flex network, highly like it and highly recommend it. AMP is my retirement plan. There you go, David. That's awesome. Alchemy, a cycle of sight. Well, I gotta tell you, Alchemy Pay. Not plans to go over a lot on Alchemy during this live, but I still hold it, and it's a massive one too. I prefer AMP tokens since I can in a way understand it a little bit better than Alchemy when it comes to domestic business. But Alchemy still has some good, I will say, business proposition, and I hold some, so I'm pretty happy about it, right? That's pretty awesome. Alrighty. So there you guys have it. If you see these lines here on top, well, these lines represent, to my calculations, when I think the air cycle come back, passing, the overbought indicator on the error side. It may not be the 9 cents or 10 cents, right? It may not be that, but it could be 7 to 8 cents. And by learning everything I know about cryptocurrencies, if you want to get out of AMP token, that might be an option too. I'm not a genie. That might be an option too. If you're okay getting out of AMP token at the price of 8 to 9 cents, once you see the error side at that level, the best way for you to do it is just to sell and get out and probably move somewhere else. But if you're planning to get out, don't get out right now, because eventually it's going to come back up. That's just what cryptocurrencies do. Am I getting out? No. And if I am, I'll sell and then buy back again. It really depends, right? If you're already staking your cryptocurrencies, may not be the best move financially, because you have to pay, especially for AMP tokens. It's a ERC20 Ethereum coin. You gotta pay a lot of money for staking on staking too. So that is the idea. Okay, that could help you sort out things too, guys. If you guys are liking the live stream, make sure you go ahead and like the video, like the live, so more people see it, and subscribe to the channel and turn on those notification bells. Next week, it got a lot of different repertoire of videos. Hopefully it's gonna be very interesting for us. It's gonna be crazy stuff. Nice. Water break while I read your comments, everyone, and welcome aboard to all the new viewers. Kai slays Solana is a big one too. Steve says, I got 70,000 tokens of AMP. I want to buy 30K more. Should I wait? Well, if you already have the money, the price right now, it's a bargain right now, Steve. I will, just to tell you, I got my rest because I had 50 or 65,000 AMP token, and the rest of AMP token that I bought I bought it way higher than what it is right now. Way higher, like around 6, close to 7 cents, just to give you an idea. Why did I do it? Because we were around here, my friend. We were somewhere around here in the end of August or something like that. It was before this flash crash. It was way before that. It was like around 6 cents or so. It was coming back down from this high of 7 cents. We came back down to like 0.065, and I bought the rest of my AMP token. So my position in AMP is negative, or close to negative, but it's fine, right? Believe I'm breaking even. So I think the price right now is a huge one, to be honest with you. Let's say, Oscar, have you tried to get a crypto loan from Ether, Nexo, BlockFi, or Celsius? If you have, just want to know your experience and opinion on it. Thanks. And no problem. I wouldn't do any crypto loans or borrow money like I know Coinbase has on top of their page. Go ahead and borrow $1,000 or $10,000. I wouldn't do it at everyone. That's me. I don't want margin. If I don't do it on stocks, I much rather don't do it on cryptocurrencies, because crypto is way more volatile, and I don't want to mess around with borrow money from these companies that they just want to make money out of you. Vitality, I sold my AMP and bought Algorand. Well, Vitality, you have to stay here for my Algorand section. It's gonna be soon. You can. There you go. Hop AMP pumps 50% at least, Lloyd. I know, right? Gotta wait on that one. I have 20K AMP, not planning to sell ever. It's money that I see in the long gone already. So this is how I trick my mind not to sell. There you go. I mean, that's everyone will have different type of strategies. So my friends, AMP token. Let me go ahead and show you a couple more things. When it comes to the price, we're looking at a 31% popularity on Coinbase. AMP token 555% positive in the last 1 year. As I told you, the number of addresses is growing, so that is really good. We don't have any more news on the Flex Twitter. I'm going to go ahead and close this. And on the Ether scan, as we know, the holders are also increasing. That is great. And let me go ahead and do capacity. On capacity right now, last time I checked, we were around 1.2. Are we still at 1.2? There you go. We're still at 1.2. So let me go ahead and nice. There you go. Gonna go ahead and connect my wallet. So there you go. It's connected. So I'm gonna check for you how much it's right now staking. Typically, and from what I've heard, staking your AMP token during the night was supposed to be cheap, right? Now, right here it says that I have 549 AMP token, and some people were asking me, is that all the AMP token you have? No, that's not the old AMP token I have. That's just an amount that I had for video purposes, but because I'm still checking, what will be the best time to stake my coins. So as I mentioned before, everyone, I knew that the stake lightning was gonna decrease, and this is an APY per year. So it started with like 800%, then the first time I saw it was like at 300%, then 200, 100, less than 80, and so now of course it's at 6%. I'll be very interested to see what is the least price, the price that they're gonna leave it, right? That will be awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and select this one. I'll press continue, and let me show you what the price is right now. Let's see. Well, I first see that there's an error, which is weird. Let's go ahead and try it again. Okay, here it is. Wow, everyone, isn't that amazing? Let me go ahead and show you this. It's $30. It's $30 to stake. That is amazing. That is the cheapest I've seen it in a while. Okay, and if you select this low, it's $28. You see that? $28. That is amazing, guys. So that's when you want to stake your AMP token to the Flexa network. So listen to this, everyone, right? I already staked my I've staked my Cardano, then I've staked my Algorand, and the only one I'm missing is, of course, my AMP token. And honestly, guys, I'm probably waiting for something like $10, and of course, I know that is too much. Like, I'm stretching it too much, but that is just me. That is just me. I think $30 is not bad. I know and I've heard that some people have paid a $100 that sometimes it asks you to pay. What is your experience with staking AMP token, guys? How much have you paid? I'd love to see that. I'd love to hear it from you. Oscar, when do you think Cardano will price on all these announcements from the summit? Well, that's a good question. I don't know, but I'll hold it and stake it, and that's what I did today. Brick, because you want to be ready when the pump happens, not reacting to it. That's too late. That's something I've learned so much here in cryptocurrencies for AMP token and for all the different types of cryptocurrencies, right? The summit was very chill. Collecting all tokens for NFT contest was fun. Yeah, that's true. Like I'm saying, it's just great amount of people understanding blockchain and cryptocurrency, and of course this project Cardano was really nice to see. Overall, it was great. Thank you so much. I got money to play with, so yeah, I'm gonna buy more. There you go, Steve. That's awesome. That is great stuff. So it's at $30 to stake your AMP token. I'm super happy. That's the cheapest I've seen AMP token staked. That is incredible, everyone. So AMP token one, guys, that is the one that I will highly recommend for my second cryptocurrency for October 2021. Are you ready for the third one? Welcome, Algorand. Algorand time, everyone. We got ourselves some Algorand time. Who from here owns Algorand? Who from here probably watched my last video on Saturday about Algorand? How many Algorand you should buy? Everyone who is excited for this project, because I am. Have any question, let me know. But Algorand, baby, this one is really gonna be a massive success. I'm predicting it. And I have something I really want to show you, and it's here. Algorand wallet. I did it. Algorand wallet. The Algorand's official wallet built by the team that brought you the Algorand blockchain. Securely manage your Algorand assets while earning rewards. Everyone, this is Oscar, and we talk about stocks, Roth IRA, and cryptocurrencies. Make sure you please go ahead and like the video right now so more people watch it. Subscribe to the channel so you never miss any update, and turn on those notifications, please. Thank you very much. That will help a lot. God willing, one day passing 10K so more people can know about this and the project, the fam. That's incredible. Thank you so very much. The idea here, everyone, is to stake. When you buy index funds, when you buy stocks, the typical Warren Buffett approach will be hold it till you're 50, 60, and then there you guys have it. You will be a millionaire most of the time. When it comes to cryptocurrencies, easily, we're ahead of the game. You want to find the projects, you want to find the cryptocurrencies that have the most potential to grow. And Ethereum and Bitcoin, to be completely honest with you, I think it's already passing our date. Ethereum and Bitcoin was the generation before us, the Charles, the Vitalik ones. Typical people who bought Ethereum and Bitcoin in 2010, 2007, they already made their money. They're millionaires. They're rich people, and I'm kudos to them. I'm super happy for you. Now, what are gonna be the cryptocurrencies for the next decade? That in the next decade, when you and I are set driving our Lambos, right, living in Beverly Hills, whatever you want to live, what will be the cryptocurrency that will take you there? Cardano, AMP token, and here's the third one, Algorand. Algorand, guys, it's a self-sustaining, pure proof of stake blockchain, decentralized finance related, focused, just partnered with the Drone League Racing. Um, Silvio Micali, the founder, MIT professor, has a team backed up by professionals in leaders in their field. It does seem that to be a very legit cryptocurrency, and not only that, I have staked my cryptocurrencies in AM token, in Cardano, and now I did it on Algorand. It has been the fastest, the most sharp, cleanest, no issue at all done of staking in my life. I think it was even easier than opening a Gemini account and accepting all the earning issue agreements that you have to do. It was so easy, my friends. I loved it. I love it, loved it, loved it. So I'm gonna go ahead and ask in the poll. Algo wallet, use it? Do you guys use that Algorand wallet? Because if you tell me no, or if most of the answers are no, then now I know I have to make a Cardano tutorial for beginners so you guys know step by step, and also an Algorand step by step. It's not that difficult, to be honest with you, but you may have some questions, right? The idea here, everyone, is to have fun and to learn how to do this. And oh boy, I just loved it. Loved it, loved it, loved it. It's insane. G-Ran, Vitali, Grim, David, Carolina, Steve, David, Hey, Quantum, welcome aboard, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Welcome, welcome. So we got best wallet I have used. I agree. Google search, Reddit, Algorand optimizer. I see. Where can you get the most for staking Algo? I think that'll be the wallet, because Coinbase gives you 4%. The wallet gives you 4 point something and even 5%. Staking Algorand on Excellent at 4.87 APY. There you go. You also have some other different options, but this is like the best, highly most recommended one. Retirement funds. I only have 25 Algo, but plan to get more. Only buy what you can afford losing. That is the golden rule on cryptocurrencies, right? We love our AM token. We love our Cardano. Everything that we've seen so far, it's just insane. Cryptocurrency is on fire. Cardano is on fire. AM token is on fire. And Algorand is on fire. We still haven't seen the price action yet, but you don't have to wait for it to happen to buy, because that's too late. That's too late, everyone. You have to buy, or you have to own something before the pump happens, everyone. 60 days ago, I staked AMP for around $10. Too insane since then I have to leave my AMP there. There you go. Yeah, I mean, it's not, of course, easy to stake your AM token at this time and pay so much money. Like, just to give you an idea, guys, I just want to stake 548 AM token, and the price was $30. And from people that were telling me staking more AM tokens cost you more, can you guys verify that for me, please? If I want to stake more AM tokens, will that cost me more? I'll let you guys reply to that in the chat. Because if that's the case, oh, I'm talking, gosh, you got to move away from the Ethereum blockchain, right? Can't believe it. Beautiful stuff. Swan, I hope this isn't a silly question, just curious in your opinion, but would you say right now it's a bad time to buy Algorand given the price is around $2? No silly questions here. Absolutely. No silly questions. Let's go ahead and do the technical analysis. But guys, this is what I wanted to tell you. Algorand wallet, you have to use it. It's the best thing ever. No, it's just a network fee. Oh, okay, I see. Perfect. And poll, and let's see what the results were from the poll. Everyone gotta see that. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, so you never miss another episode, another live of this. So Algo wallet, use it. 77% you guys say no, and only 22% say yes. Okay, officially telling you, only to my live people that right now are watching this. New videos upcoming by the end of the month, or beginning of the next month. How to stake your coins on Algorand and how to stake your coins on Cardano. I did it. I went through it on my own. It was great. Now it's your turn to do it, and I'll help you on that one. There you go. Alrighty. Now, the question on Algorand. So let's go ahead and take a look at the price analysis, shall we? Take a look at this, everyone. So, what we take a look at this is the year to date. From what I see immediately, I almost staked around 2,000 NAM and it cost $34. Okay, so my hypothesis is right. So no matter how many you stake, it's gonna be the same networking fee. Okay, got it. Yeah, because somebody told me that the more you stake, the higher it was, but I don't. That makes no sense. But okay. So jumping on Algorand price prediction or like price analysis, there was a huge bump in volume. So that, of course, helped get the price of Algorand to the all-time high in 2021 of $2.55, almost 2.6. Right now, as we see the RSI reaching already the middle band, that means that if Cardano already reached the bottom, ADA or AMP token already reached the bottom, Algorand hasn't done it yet. So will that be worrisome for us? Well, let's go ahead and take a look at more indicators. I'm going to go ahead and do the MACD. I'm going to go ahead and do the Bollinger Bands by deleting okay, here it is. Boom. So taking a look at this on the MACD, I don't see them crossing anytime soon. But that means that it could be a continuous decrease for Algorand on this one, okay? I see that the price is jumping a little bit more. Let's go ahead and go deeper on the 4 hours. So take a look at this 4 hours. Bouncing back. So here in the 4 hours, we start to see that the price is coming back up. So that is great. This was the 2.50. Now we're at 184. I'm going to go ahead and start squeezing here the charts just to see a little bit better. Let's see. 2.50 here on 12th of September. And right now we're starting some green. So you see right now a little bit green here at the bottom. This one. And then you see a little bit green right here. So I'll be interested to see if it's going to actually start blowing up or will continue, or it's just something that will continue start falling down. So we have a trend right here, came all the way back up, came back down to 1.50, now came all the way up to $2. Right now the price is less than $2, so that is great stuff for Algorand. As we see on the Bollinger Bands, it bounced back from the bottom band. So that's great. It seems that every time it comes back up or it touches the bottom, comes up, it comes back down. So that is good. That is another way of predicting or making sure you buy the best or Algorand at the best price. So right here, it's coming up to the top part of the Bollinger Band. So could come back, could come all the way to 1.90 and then start coming back down. As I told you, on the year to date, it may seem that there's still some time for Algorand to continue dropping. So bottom of the story, if Algorand continues dropping, great price for you to start making some positions under $2, because ideally speaking, this beauty is going to continue rising and passing the $3 for sure. Why am I bullish on that one, guys? Because of the following, and that is exactly what I told you. I'm actually going to open that document because we're talking about Algorand right now. So I'm going to go do investing docs. I'm going to do the how many, get into this Algorand mode. So take a look at this. So here it is. If Algorand has 10 billion in market capitalization, 10 billion in total supply, almost 6 billion in circulating supply. And Cardano, the only cryptocurrency that I can compare it to, that I like to compare it to, right? We still have Solana and we have Polkadot, but Cardano is the one and only that I can see Algorand reaching to. It doesn't have to reach 76 billion for it to be above $10. just reaching 60 billion will get it there. The price is $13 to $10, around a 500% to 450% upside. That is insane, and I think that's possible. Right now, Algorand at around 16 to 17 place. What will that mean? That if I own right now about 2,500 Algorand already staking in the wallet, that will put me at $25,000 if I don't invest any other type of Algorand. I will say in the next 3 to 5 years, which that is amazing. That is the goal that I want to have. Just think about it, guys. The normal S&P 500, the index guys, the index funds get you 10% per year, typically, right? I'm saying if we already saw in the last year 448%, ideally, and of course, having 100 or 200% the next year, well, that'll be incredible and way more than what the stock market can give you. That is the idea, guys, and that is amazing stuff. Amazing. So just giving you that example, that is one of the reasons why I think Algorand still has room to grow, because there has less coins than Cardano, even more coins, of course, than Polkadot, but still, and way more coins than Solana. That's why we see Solana at more than $100 and Polkadot and then Polkadot too. But that is the idea, everyone. Pretty excited on this one. Welcome aboard, everyone. That's awesome. This is Algorand. Algorand. What a beauty. Whew. No, honestly, guys, pretty excited. Pretty excited on this one. Anytime. Absolutely. So here's the third cryptocurrency top for October 2021. This one to check. I'm still holding it, but not only holding it, staking it, guys. That's the key. Staking Cardano, staking Algorand, and now, of course, I'll be staking AMP token. I mean, $30. I'm gonna wait a little bit more. I want to be greedy. I don't have to rush. I don't have to run. I already own my 100,000 AMP tokens. I don't have to run anywhere, right? So at least as I see the price that I want for my AMP tokens, I stake them and goodbye. That it is. And once I do that, my friends, I'll be staking 3 of my top favorite cryptocurrencies, and I'm ready for the future. I'm ready. So once they decide to run all the way to the moon, your boy right here will make the money we want. And that's exactly what we want, everyone. That's exactly what we're looking for. Algorand, baby. Algorand here in the house. Absolutely. Going back to this, don't forget about the Algorand wallet. Of course, we'll be making some good videos so we know how to stake it. I did it, and it's incredible. Just make sure when you create your wallets for Algorand and Cardano, do not share your passwords nor your security keys. That should be away from the online world. So don't send it through Facebook, WhatsApp, or so. Keep it safe somewhere that it's outside the internet, please. So I don't want any hackers or any people to be, robbing or hacking your wallet. That will be the worst feeling in the world. Passive income is the game. Absolutely. That is the game, everyone. That is the game. Right here. There you go. There you guys have it. Marcus, what do you think about the news on Shiba Inu and all the hype around it? Hey, Marcus, so Shiba Inu, it's already on Coinbase, so kudos to Shiba Inu. To be honest with you, I don't own it. I have a good friend of mine who bought $10 of Shiba Inu. You know how many coins or tokens he got? 1 million. So you can buy 1 million Shiba Inu for $10. So in a way, I don't know about that. I better invest my money in cryptocurrencies that I know are incredible and have absolutely massive potential than, of course, like Shiba Inu or so. Here you go. Stake your AMP so you can show us Primo. Appreciate it, my man. Appreciate it. I love to see how much that is, but I have no idea on those are gens, or what is the currency, my friend? But thank you so very much, my friend. Appreciate it. Genaro-san. Thank you so much for the support, my friend. Appreciate it. Oh, wait, okay. I got it now in the chat revenue. I got it now in the chat revenue because I see your cryptocurrency, but in the chat revenue, it actually tells me exactly. Thank you so very much for the $20 donation, my friend. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you so very much. Of course, I will start staking that. And once I stake, I'll, of course, tell you guys about it. That's like $20. Yes, it is. It's about the Japanese yen. It's about $20 after conversion. Thank you. Appreciate it so much. I got 21K amp. Is that enough? Only buy what you can afford losing. That is the idea. That is the idea. Incredible stuff. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, so you never miss any update. That's awesome. So we got to the questions, guys. So ask me anything. I'll go over anything you guys want. You staying late, you staying all this long in the live stream. I'm all yours. What do you guys want me to review? We'll do this for a while and then we bounce back. But just to wrap up, while you think on the questions, go back to here. Go back here. Go back here. There you go. Here's my summary conclusions for this cryptocurrency live. Number one, very happy and excited for what's coming in the crypto game. Couldn't ask for any better time to be alive, to be honest with you. I'm alive when Cardano is starting to rise in its utility. I'm alive when there's a company called Flexa Network that is helping people and helping industries and companies to accept digital cryptocurrency payments, no matter where they live. I'm alive where there's a blockchain called Algorand that has an amazing way of staking your coins mobile and online. Super fast, super cheap. What else you want? And I'm alive in this time. I don't regret not knowing about cryptocurrencies back 10 years ago, where I could have just bought 10 Bitcoins and already stop working by this time, right? But it is what it is. That's life. You win and you lose. But now what will be the next upcoming cryptocurrencies that will take you out of your 9-to-5 job, that will give you the life of your dreams, that will, of course, get you where you want in life, which is that financial freedom. Well, my friends, that is what you want, of course. And that is exactly why we're here. Definitely. The last time I got 300 million ships, I might hold or trade for amps. Do what's best for you. The last, do what's best for you. But holding Shiba Inu could be a good idea if you have $50 to gamble, right? I think Shiba Inu is could be a gamble way of making money. But if that brings you happiness and a sense of belongingness to a community, there you go. Alrighty, we go to the questions, guys. And of course, super happy and blessed with the community, my community specifically here on YouTube, on Twitter, on Instagram, that I have all my networks, guys. If you want to reach out to me, all my links down below. You can talk to me on Twitter or Instagram. I typically answer some questions there. And now you want me to answer all your questions exclusively, well, you might want to check the Patreon account. Thank you so very much. Alrighty, and thank you to the mummy for helping me with the chat as a moderator. You're awesome. And of course, we have the chat revenue. Thank you so very much, my friend. From Japan, we have new friends and family joining. So from all over the world, they're tuning in to know more about cryptocurrencies. And everyone is welcome. Brandon, shift is not a gamble. To me, right? May not be to you, but hey, we'll have different things of thinking about it. Could be a good cryptocurrency later on. Hey, just by the fact that it's already on Coinbase, that is amazing stuff. So kudos to all the Shiba Inu, and keep it up. Alrighty, let's see. What do you think about Cardano Crusader? Crusader, I think that is a great cryptocurrency, blockchain, proof of stake, peer-reviewed, very good, smart people are on it. I don't understand 100% of the project, but I can tell you that from everything that I've seen so far, I'm putting my money on Cardano. I'm already staking on the official wallet. I explained this at the beginning of the live stream. Highly recommended. Thumbs up. David, is the shotgun approach better with small coins or better just to pick three or four? The shotgun approach. I haven't heard of that approach, David. If you want to explain that for us, that'll be awesome. That'll help me a lot to understand. Iren, Shiva, any Shiva back holders here? Thoughts? There might be a lot of Shiva holders here. That's amazing. Shiva, there you go. I got some Shiva, nothing too crazy. Nice. Have you heard of ADX? Okay, yes, that is a decentralized blockchain inside Cardano. I've heard of ADX. It's the only decentralized exchange available for purchasing Cardano at this moment. Yes, I've heard of that one. It's inside the Cardano network. So that's pretty cool. That's awesome. I got 300 million shifts. I might hold or trade for amps. There you go. Keep it up. Hold Shiba for the next 20 years. Juan Hamacho, there you go. So imagine you're holding Shiba for the next 20 years. It's so easy to say, right? Oh, just 20 years. Just 20 years. But in a way, 20 years is a long, long time, right? Will Shiba Inu be willing or be able to resist market crashes, maybe some cryptocurrency regulations, fatal regulations where even the Fed comes and starts saying, this cryptocurrency does not meet the requirements now these digital currencies may need to follow. So please go ahead and remove it from the blockchain. In 20 years, in 10 years, in 30 years, or at least in 5 to 7 years, the United States government, if you guys live in the US, will have more regulations and will have more rules for crypto. And well, the brokers, they will have to follow more strict rules if we want to let mainstream people who have no idea about cryptocurrencies use these technologies. So just think about it. The cryptocurrencies I buy typically are cryptocurrencies that I feel will be adopted some way or the other. These are cryptocurrencies that I believe are serious. These are cryptocurrencies that I believe bring a lot of value and utility to the world. Some other cryptocurrencies bring social value, community to the world, which are also important. But to me, I see things differently, right? So there you go. There's different ways of seeing things, which is good. Are there any other staking coins beyond Cardano and Algo? I'm interested in diversifying, but I'm hesitant on staking ERC20 coins due to the high fees. That's a great question. I believe Solana. Solana, you could be able to stake Solana too because it's a proof of stake. So Solana should be good. I've heard that Solana, it's also fast. I haven't tried it, but you might want to check Solana, okay? That's a good one. Now we have some people saying SHIB is a gamble. There you guys have it. So many different people have different opinions, and they're all welcome, of course. I asked a question earlier, but bring it up again since you're asking about questions. Sure. Have you pulled out a crypto loan for? Oh yeah, I've talked about the crypto loans, and no, I haven't done any crypto loans at all. No margin at all for me. I want to all my money is my money, and I don't want to do any margins or any like borrowing money from any crypto exchange. I think that's too much risk, or I just don't want to do it. Not personally interested. Now here's the deal. Listen to this. Remember the Dogecoin millionaire? This guy that borrow money because he bought way before the Dogecoin pump, and of course he made himself a millionaire, was able to pay the loan and made a lot of money. It can be possible. If you borrow a lot of money before a pump, then you realize the profits, you pay back your loan, and then you have a lot of money. Well, yeah, that's a way of doing it, but sadly enough, nobody's gonna tell you when the next altcoin pump will be. That's very hard to tell. Or as long as there's a good cryptocurrency that is about to be listed on Coinbase or Binance, that could be a good idea for you. Okay, there you go. Bet is greater than M. Nice, Satan. XRP will move soon. I think that's the idea. That's what we want to see. Absolutely. XRP is another big one, guys. It's another big one that we want to take a look at. Primo, full and random question. So, of course, I've heard Ripple may increase to 1.2 USD kind of soon, but after we'll go back to, what are your thoughts? Well, I don't have any XRP, but I've heard just very good things about XRP, and in a way, have investigated what XRP does, and it just helps banks mostly with the payment transfers. It's a massive technology that banks all across the world are using. Sadly, of course, the the cryptocurrency is not being, at the moment tradable, because of the lawsuit that right now is still ongoing. But once, eventually it all clears up, I'll be adding some XRP to my portfolio. I think has potential, but it's another cryptocurrency that will definitely have to do a deep dive more. At this time, my deep dives and most of my time, everyone, it's put in on Algorand, Cardano, and AM token. Ethereum, I know it. Bitcoin, I know it. Like, I can talk about Ethereum and Bitcoin without studying too much. It's basic. It's like, the reason why it's basic is because it's blockchain 1.0 and blockchain 2.0. Everything came out of Ethereum, mostly DeFi, dApps, right? That was 5 to 7 years ago. Ethereum was king. Everybody was talking about Ethereum, right? Not anymore. Not anymore. But it is what it is. Things change. Now, when Ethereum 2.0 comes back, oh my boys, that will be incredible to see. That will be something glad that we'll have to investigate and see if that's worth it. On my portfolio here on Coinbase, I have some Ethereum 2, $160, and it started from $100. So now this, it's just gains. So that is amazing. So there you guys have it. So good question, Luis. Appreciate that a lot. Opinion on the XRP case, Brandon just kind of went over that. Once that's done, I'll be willing to buy a couple of XRP. I think it brings an amazing utility to banks and the transfers. And of course, they have Ripple, RippleNet, just massive things that they have. It's already ahead of the game of many cryptocurrencies. And one thing that I'm gonna say, and if I have some AM token people watching, you might want to take a look at this. I'm gonna go ahead and open the coin perspective once again. So AM token and Ripple, XRP. Are they alike in some way? Well, not really, but the only thing that they're alike to is the number of coins in the market total supply, which is 100 billion. Now, like any other type of cryptocurrency, it doesn't mean that there's 100 billion tokens or coins out there to buy. No. They give you a certain amount and they start increasing, year by year or so. If I'm talking, I compare it to the only cryptocurrency that I see that is at the top, number 6, with such high coins, that will be XRP. So if AM token had XRP's market cap of 45 billion, one AM token will be worth $0.95, almost $1. That will be an upside of 1900% or 19x. You see? So there you go. I mean, that is the idea. Even though AM token has 99.4 billion in total supply, only 48% of that total supply is active in the circulating supply. It has a price of 4 cents. And from doing all my research, guys, it's a bargain. It's a bargain. So that is what it is. That is what it is. I think that this cryptocurrency has way to go, and that's why I'm staking and that's why I'm holding it. I may have to wait a little bit longer, but that's why I diversify. That is the way to get this done right. All right. Luis Enrique, great, thanks for the explanation. Apparently the process against the SAC is about to have some interesting closures. That's awesome. The CEO said that he will collaborate after they allow XRP to be sold again. That's cool. That's great stuff. AMP is definitely a sleeping giant. First name, last name. Hey, welcome aboard, buddy. That is insane stuff. Great. And the SEC will lose the lawsuit. We'll see, right? We'll see. The gas are unacceptable in Ethereum. I got you. I know. It happens, but welcome to blockchain 2.0, right? That is blockchain 2.0. And if you don't understand Cardano or Algorand or Solana, then probably Ethereum is the only blockchain that you ever experience, and I get it. Like, it's not sometimes easy to know, how this cryptocurrency work. But I can tell you, once I started to know about Cardano and all the different type of blockchains. So what are blockchains, right? Like, can I check the price of Cardano or Solana or Algorand on Etherscan? No, you can't, because Etherscan is coming from the Ethereum blockchain, right? So each of them have its own blockchains, and inside of that, that's where an entire ecosystem lives, and that is huge and that is amazing. Just way more stuff that is coming up. Who is excited? I'm excited, everyone. I'm excited. Do you think ADA has a chance hitting $250? What? Oh, wow. $250 in 5 years. Why don't we just get to $10 first? Okay, let's do this. I'm getting excited. HM. ADA. If I compare ADA to Bitcoin, if Cardano had ADA's Bitcoin's market cap, that'll be 835 billion market cap for ADA. One ADA will be worth $26. My friend, what you're saying is, if ADA has a chance of hitting $250 in 5 years, no, my friend. I mean, that's, I think, very unreasonable and unlikely. It's a huge bet, because just by having Bitcoin's market cap, that's a price of $26. So yes, I don't think that's possible in the near future. Those are my opinions. That's a huge bet, huge bet. What kind of wallet do you recommend storing AMP? Coinbase. I have Coinbase and I have my AMP there. You have also MetaMask, especially for people who are on the desktop. That's a plugin. You also can have it on a ledger too, if I'm not mistaken. If you go to Flex Capacity, if you do Connect Wallet, you have Rainbow, Trust Wallet. I've heard some negative things about Trust Wallet. MetaMask, mostly positive, which is cheap, and Coinbase Wallet, that's what I use, and I like it. It's Coinbase, so I really trust Coinbase. I mean, why not? I already use it, so that's what I think. During the ADA annual conference yesterday and today, Hawkinson said that it may reach $15 at the end of the year, but I believe $5 is more probable. Did he say that, Luis? No kidding. He actually gave a price estimate for ADA. That is so unreal to hear from a founder. Did he actually say that? That is incredible. Yesterday and today, wow, that is insane. I want to find that video then. If you just said that, I'm going to find that video, because any founder wouldn't say something like that from my experience. Like, they don't really give price predictions, because that can jeopardize so much. Yes, Connor, the last, I mean, I'm not saying Luis is a liar, but I will really double check on that one, Luis. But if you heard that, no problem. We trust you. But yeah, like all of you guys are saying here, it wasn't the title of the conference. Oh, no. Were you looking at a scam video, maybe, Luis? I think you were looking at a scam video or something like that, because any founder, I'm telling you from experience, like, no Tyler Spalding from Flexa, no Silvio Micali from Algo, no John. I mean, founders typically, that I think that's gonna be very weird for you to hear something like that. I think that was a scam video, like Brandon was saying. I think you got one, because, I mean, my friend, you go to YouTube and you just put like Cardano live, and you're gonna see why we believe Cardano will reach $400 by the end of the year. Those are scam videos. I don't think Charles will never say a price. But hey, if you didn't know that, now you know, and you're learning. Yes, Connor, and yes, Fabian, those are scam lives. We are creators, content creators, and we give predictions because our opinion carries no value, no weight, and I love that. Even though we say things and we go over different analytics and analysis and predictions, that's the way it is. It stays like that. But founders, that's a different pay grade and ballpark. So they wouldn't say that because they know they don't want to raise expectations or something like that. But hey, good to know. Good to know. That is amazing. Yeah, clickbait videos, absolutely. Oh, my friends, cannot be more grateful. Cannot be more grateful for this Sunday night live stream. We did it. October 2021, I'm talking Cardano Algorand. If you wanted some cryptocurrencies and blockchains and projects, you got it. These are my three that I'm very narrow it down. Starting October, I'll see how they behave. We'll continue providing more content, but I just want to say thank you so very much for the support, my friends. Appreciate it a lot. Don't leave before leaving a like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. Excited for this coming week, and just have to continue. We had amazing questions in this live. I tried to win all over most of them, but wow, very excited. And it's time for me to relax, get more water, and just enjoy this last couple of hours that we have, because we have so much work. And the more work we have, the more money we can earn and start putting back on crypto. Woo! Connor, Callie, the last time, Marcus, David, Connor, first name, Aaron. Thank you so very much for that. Appreciate it, everyone. Appreciate it a lot. You are very intellectual. Oscar, watch the last one for 10 minutes now. I'm subscribed. Thank you, Connor. Welcome aboard. You are part of the family now. Any questions, just let me know after the live. If you have some, I'll be there to answer that. I try to answer most of my questions because I value your input. I value your feedback. And I'm nobody. I'm absolutely nobody. I'm just a guy sitting right here looking at two screens, and my iPad right next to my left or right. Very concerned about my future, my financial future. Thankfully, you may have a spouse, you may have somebody who loves you, may have a kid, you may have debt, you may have college, jobs, worries, but you'll eventually need money to solve some of them, right? And in this channel, I really like and enjoy stocks. I really enjoy Roth IRA, and I really love cryptocurrencies. And after investing for more than a year and a half in the three of them, I have come to realize that cryptocurrencies, we're extremely early, everyone. We're extremely early. Now more people know about cryptocurrencies. Now brokers are coming from the water one by the other, adding more cryptos, adding more communities, looking for those people to invest in. So we're getting into a point where cryptocurrencies will become extremely popular. The government cannot longer ignore this movement, and you either are part of it or outside of it. And I want to be part of it, and we're gonna continue providing the content and the value that we've done it so far. And the mission is, of course, to reach out as many people as possible. And as you have a question, I'll be here to answer, guys. So once again, we have some couple of scammers at the end of the live. Well, it happens. It happens. No worry, guys. Thank you so very much, mommy. You are the MVP. You are the MVP. Absolutely. Buying more during the dips, of course. Guys, Fabian, one of my patrons, thank you so very much, my friend, for watching. Crypto is just starting. Knockout investing life. You are right. Want to say thank you for you guys to tune in. Make sure if you enjoyed this live, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. About to be reaching, 9,500, 10,000 subscribers. I cannot believe it, but it's going slowly but surely. I'm not rushing. I'm taking my time, maybe one video a day or so. And as long as we all learn, I think that is the idea and that is the purpose. You're watching from all over the world, in the US, outside the US. I don't care, maybe Mars, if you have the SpaceX or the Blue Origin craft or ship or something like that. I don't care from where you're watching. I hope that you're fine. God bless you. Make sure your family's safe. And of course, as always, I'll see you next time, everyone. Peace. Take it easy, everyone. Thank you so very much for your time. Have a great night. Be safe, please. And I'll see you in my next video. Ciao, everyone. Thank you so very much. Peace.